To fix the missing chat history sync now issue in Messenger, start by opening the Messenger app on your device and ensuring you are signed in. Tap on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. Then select the gear-shaped icon. Settings button. Navigate to Privacy and Safety, and under the Security section, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chat. Next, choose Security Alerts and select Manage Security Alerts. Ensure both toggle buttons here are enabled. If they are not, toggle them on. Return to the Security section and tap on the Safe Website Browsing option. Confirm that the toggle button is enabled for this feature as well. If it's not, enable it. Once done, head back to your device's home screen and open the App Store. Search for Messenger in the search bar and check if the app is updated to its latest version. If the option says Open, the app is already up to date. If it says Update, update the app to the latest version. With these steps, the Messenger error should now be resolved.